Hello, good evening friends. I think I am expected that you already studied the first topic, that is our kinematics of machines. It is the first unit of the theory of machine. Theory of machine is the very core part of our mechanical branch. Now some students face some problems while studying the lectures. Now we are going to solve these problems one by one. Now moving to the first problem, that is what is the basic difference between the machine and mechanism. This is a very simple funda and very simple topic. Actually the machines and mechanisms are two different basic terms that we are going to study, and don't make confusion between the machines and mechanisms. These are simply two different terms. Now first we are moving towards the mechanism. Now let's see the definitions of the mechanisms. What it said: if a number of bodies are assembled in such a way that the motion of one causes constrained and predictable motion to the other, is known as a mechanism. What is the meaning of it? Actually it is the combination of the different bodies. And if we transfer a motion to the one body, it automatically transfers to the another body, and in such a way the motion is a transfer from one point to the another point. This is the basic function of the mechanisms. You already found or already see the different mechanisms in the real applications. You already see the different types of the toys, watch mechanisms, lathe mechanisms, and different types of the machines. What you observed in that, we are transferring the motions, or we are providing the motions to the one link, then one link is going to transfer the motion to the another link, and second link is again going to transfer to the motion to the third link. In this way we are completing a motion, and that whole system forms the mechanisms. Now what happens if we combine different mechanisms and form a system? That is called the machine. Now let's see, this is the picture of the lathe machine. In lathe machine you observe the different types of the mechanisms are combined and form a system. This is called the machine. What is the exact meaning and the purpose of the machine? It is used to transfer both machine and power from one point to the another point. This is called the machine. Now what is the difference between machines and mechanisms? Mechanisms are not able to transfer the power from one point to the another point, but machines are able to transfer the powers from one point to the another points, and this way we complete the whole task. Now another one point you definitely observed in the machine, that is it converts the energy from one form to the another energy. Like an example, in a lathe machine we are converting electrical energy to the mechanical energy, from sliding energy to the rotational energy, and different types of the energies. This is the basic difference between the machines and mechanisms. What is the next point? That is the question number 2. What are the different types of the joints? Now move to the different types of the joints. First let us see what is the joint. What is the joints? Joints is a situation, or it is a point where the two links are attached and form a system, or form a motion between the two links, that is forms the kinematic link, that is called the joint. There are three types of the joints. First is the binary joint, second is the ternary joint, and third is the quaternary joint. Now moving to the first, that is the binary joints. What is the binary joints? When the two links are joined at the same connections, the joint is known as the binary joints. Let's see L1 and L2. Here are the links, that is joint at one point. It forms only one surface contact. That's why it is called the binary joints. What about the ternary joints? When three links are joined at the same connection, the joint is known as the ternary joints. It is equivalent to the two binary joints. Why it is equivalent to two binary joints? Let's see here, L1, L2 and L3 are the links are attached at the one are attached by one pin. Now this system forms the two surface contact. One surface contact is between L3 and L1 and another one surface contact is between L1 and L2. That's why it is called equivalent to the two binary joints. Now moving to the quaternary joint. When four links are joined at the same connection, the joint is called quaternary joint. It is equivalent to three binary joints. Let's see point O or the pin O. Here the four links are attached. That's why it is called the quaternary joints. In quaternary joints, three surface contacts are formed among between the four links. That's why it is equal to the three binary joints. Now these are the three different joints. Now don't make confusion between all these three. In this way we are completing our lecture today, and if any problem then please email me. Thank you.